Hello everyone. So for today we got an Audi here. Man, I love Audis, but sometimes I hate Audis. So what we're doing is we're changing the differential seals because they're leaking, of course. But we have a very curious situation. So right side, this is pretty much what needs to happen. Control arms disconnected, axle out, and the very fun part of it is you see the gas tank like right here and the rear axle right there. Well, guess what, both the axle and the flange won't come out through there because they're too big. So according to Audi, you need to take the entire final drive out, which would be the rear diff. And I even had issues with getting the proper seals on this car from Audi themselves, because what they did is they're not showing the proper differential. So they were only showing me a normal differential, and instead of getting me the big seal, actually got me a very tiny seal that's meant for a normal whatchamacallit, for a normal non LSD diff. So just by the box you can tell that this seal ain't going in there for sure. So thanks Audi, lost 3 days there. But as you can see, spring needs to come off. Rear struts needs to get disconnected. Rear sway bar, control arms. You gotta loosen the rear subframe. Also, the mufflers need to come off. Thank God those are actually custom exhausts, because we can actually disconnect it from here instead of going all the way from the front and just removing it. Of course, I still have one more seal to get to, but believe it or not, it's definitely not fun. Definitely not fun. If you are doing that particular job, keep that in mind. You can pull the flange out, you can pull the axle out, but you're going to have to do some work to get to them. And then removing the springs was not my favorite part. Those are custom red springs. I can see somebody even used the performance sway bar, if you want to call it that. And yeah, I mean, it is what it is. We're still getting it done one way or the other. It's just that not exactly what you would expect. I'm still waiting for the new seals, and once they come in, we'll put them on. As you can see, it's an S5 2011. Good looking car other than that, but yeah, rear diff seals were just throwing oil everywhere. But we'll get it done. No worries.